In this tutorial, we are gonna discuss how to upload a channel trailer. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is go to your channel homepage and click on Create. Upload a video and select the video you want the channel trailer to be. I have recorded a channel intro right here, and we'll first have to upload it, wait for it, and name it channel intro. Okay, after you have written in the title and the description, you can just select some thumbnail of your choosing. After you're done uploading the video to your basic channel, you go over to customization, then you click on Home tab. Home tab is the tab where everything is basically displayed how it looks. So you enable the Home tab and click on Add Section. Right here, you select the channel trailer and select the video you just uploaded. There you go. You're ready. After you're done, you can play around a little bit. For example, you can add a spotlight section for returning subscribers, popular videos, your live stream, whatever. Rearrange those sections, but the channel introduction is uploaded. You will click on Publish and it will show up right on your channel if you click on it like this.